Hello and welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today I'm having some guests over later, and I wanted to make a dip, and I was looking to see what I had to put together. So I found some smoked fish and some smoked cavalli, I think it is, but any smoked fish would work. What I did, I boiled it out. I boiled it a few times to get the skin off and to get rid of some of that salt that's in there. And then I crushed it up, just crushed it up, and I didn't put it in the food processor, but I just crushed it with my hand and crushed it with a fork and just shred it. And I'm going to add some other ingredients to that. I'm going to add some cream cheese, of course, and get a nice dip going, maybe some fresh herbs. So we'll go and we'll put that together, and hopefully it comes out, tasting wonderfully. So we'll go over to the board and just start some putting it together. Okay, so let's put together our smoked fish dip. First we have our smoked fish in here. See, I crumbled it nicely. I just broke this up with a fork. And the next thing, the next ingredient we'll add is our cream cheese. We put our cream cheese in there. And the cream cheese is nice and soft. It's at room temperature, and that would it would blend in quicker and easier. So I'll just blend this in before we add the other stuff. Now we have the cream cheese blended in. I have here some capers and the green part of green onion. I just wanted to add some zing to it. So I chopped the capers up, chopped them up really fine, and then I just blend that into the mix. I have some chilies here, some hot chilies. I mince those up. Also have some pickled ginger. Give it a zing, another zing. And also I have some cilantro for some more color. So we'll get this all mixed up, all blended into the mix, and then I'll be back. And here we are. Our smoked fish dip is finished. So we'll just get some crackers and give this a taste test. So here we are, our smoked fish dip. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip.